Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over 1-15, which is grasp the sparrow's tail. We did go over grasp the sparrow's tail earlier, but that was going towards the east. This one is going towards the southeast because we just finished doing, I'll do it the same direction as we do it in the form. We just finished doing carry the tiger to the mountain to the southeast of the form, which is here. So we just do our grasp the sparrow's tail here, the same as we did before, but I'm still going to do it in all the different directions, beginning with the way we do it in the form, which is facing here to the southeast corner of the form. So from here, when our right palm is up and the left palm is in front of the shoulder, the hands come up to meet, the left palm is down, the right hand comes up, and then both wrists turn to the left so that the left palm is up and the right palm is up. And you rotate to the right. Okay? Notice I haven't put my weight in the back and I haven't put my shoulder past my own back or hip here. That's going to put me out of balance if I go too far here. So I'm just rotating and keeping my weight in the right leg. Then I come back, and I will do this all together in just a moment. And roll back and push. All right, so I'll go over that in detail. We just finished carry the tiger to the mountain, and here's what it looks like. And that's it. All right, so let's break that down. Let's do it in the form, the direction we do it in the form, and then I will work my way around. So we've started here from carry the tiger to the mountain. The left palm comes down as the right palm comes up to meet it. They both rotate to the left palm up, right palm down, staying in this right leg, turning towards the right, staying in the right leg, making sure I don't rock back or over rotate because that's going to throw me off balance. Good. Left palm down at earth, right palm up at heaven, rotating back to the center line of the body. Now we're going to shift into that back leg, raising the right toe. Weight still in the left. Right knee is straight, left knee is bent. The left wrist comes up to meet my right wrist, which is currently in the center line of my body. Comes to meet it. Now I'm going to straighten my left leg and bend the right leg. Breathing in, picking up the right toe, bending the left knee, straightening the right knee. Eye of the Phoenix, down the left thigh. Weight back into the right leg as the fingertips rise up. The left leg is now straight. The right knee is now bent. Good. All right, let's do it. Going towards the back. So we just finished here. Carry tiger to the mountain. My heels are on the same line. Just finished carry tiger to the mountain. Left hand was at my shoulder. It comes and straightens out, bends palm down to come and meet the right palm as it comes up. They both rotate to the left. Weights in the right leg, rotating. My whole body. Left hand comes down, right hand up, not back here. Keep it in line with your shoulder. Good. Coming back towards the front. Shifting the weight into the left leg, straightening the right knee, bending the left knee. At the earth over the left shoulder. Good. Left wrist comes to meet the right wrist. As you shift back into the right leg, Bending the right knee, straightening the left knee. Good. Straightening the right knee, bending the left knee. Eye of the Phoenix. Down the thigh. Fingertips up as you bend the right knee and straighten the left knee. All right. One more direction. This is a little bit long. You can actually step a little longer on this Carry Tiger to the Mountain. I'm trying to give you a reference point so that you can see where the feet are. But you can actually be a little bit longer on this if you want to get more depth or a longer stance. So you can do it the shoulder width wide here. Just keep your knee above your toe. Don't go past your toe. Okay, but if you want to go longer with your Carry Tiger to the Mountain, you can. You just still have to keep your knee from going past your own toe. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take this one a little bit longer. The important part to remember here is the heels will stay in alignment on the same line, and the front toe will be at 45, and the back foot will be pointed straight towards the whichever wall. It'll be straight. The other one will be at 45. So you've carried your tiger to the mountain. Good. Breath out. Breath in. Rotate the wrists to the left. Breath out. Good. Earth and heaven. Breath in. That's the end of the breath in. Shift your weight into the back. Breath out. I ran out of backdrop, but there we go. Both hands will be extended. Breath in. Good. So, go practice that one, and that's the end of Grasp the Sparrow's Tail, going to the southeast part of the form. Next session, we'll be going over 1-16, which is diagonal single whip. Until then, have a wonderfully Zen day.